Welcome to another episode and welcome also to my studio. Today we're going to be working on this Vitex. You might remember this tree from our lime sulfur video. This tree was allowed to grow uncontrollably for the last couple of months and it just finished flowering, so which is a good time for me to go in, remove all the leaves so that I can get a closer look into the canopy. So let me give you a 360 and then we can start it. So removing all of these leaves can be a very tedious job and can take a very long time, but that's actually really good because you can get to know your tree, and as you defoliate, you can kind of think of what type of style you want to turn this tree into, right? So I had a lot of time to think about which direction I want to go, and I think I'm leaning towards a windswept design. I think that's a very interesting and gnarly structure, the entire trunk, so I think with a dramatic windswept, this tree will look even more dramatic. So let's get started. Now keep in mind that this is the very first styling that this new design has ever had of this tree. So in the future, I can imagine that the whole canopy will be downsized a little more, but I would like to have a ton of more branches. The only reason why I leave it this wide right now is because I want the tree to grow more and the branches to thicken up more. I left one branch over here. I'm sure you wonder why I did that. This right there is going to be my sacrifice branch, and I'm letting that one grow uncontrollably, and that's to thicken up the whole tree up here. So I let this grow to thicken all of this up here. So now what I'm going to do with a windswept design, it's very important that you don't lay the branches out flat like this. You kind of want to have them go up and down. So when you have the branches next to each other, you want them to go up and down like that to give it more of a dramatic, constant wind blowing effect, right? So what I'm going to do in the future here, I'm going to let the tree grow and trim it back, and let it grow and trim it back. But in the future, I'm not going to use as much wire anymore. To get a very dramatic and very realistic looking windswept, that's best achieved with clip and grow. So this is it for today. I hope you guys learned a little something today, and I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Please leave some comments below and let me know what you think of the windswept design, and I'll catch you guys next time.